Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, we have Lakshmi on our channel, who has cracked Accenture interview, and then she also cleared the TFA, which is the Technology Fundamental Assessment. The training module she has completed. So congratulations, Lakshmi, first of all. So all over to you. Let's share your experience and tips and strategies for all the students out there who are still waiting for the lot of information. So yes, Lakshmi, you can start.
First of all, thank you so much for congratulating me, ma'am. Hi, good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Lakshmi Noshita Ambati, and I'm 2020 passed out from CSC department. Actually, first of all, I got modules which they will send us username and login ID to our register mail IDs, and we'll have some modules like 8 or 9 modules. The modules are logical development, oops uml, java, algorithm analysis, and design concepts, software engineering concepts, rdbms, web technologies, and xml and unix. These are the modules, ma'am. We have to prepare from this.
Okay.
Next we should complete these modules in 45 days,
Okay.
and during these 45 days we should complete every module, and we'll have some SME connects. The Accenture will clear our doubts. What doubts we have to say them. They will help us in clearing the doubts, and also we should complete this in 45 days.
Okay. So Lakshmi, did you were you able to complete the complete modules? 100%?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I completed these modules in 20 days.
Okay, that's great. Perfect. And the topics and were from Java networking, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
They actually, the Accenture help us a lot while clearing these modules, ma'am. They'll connect SME connects. They'll conduct us, which they'll help in clearing the doubts what we have.
Okay.
So it is helpful to clear the modules.
So also, what kind? So did you attend? Right? You attended that Connect meeting.
Yes, ma'am. I connected SME meeting.
Okay. So how long was that meeting, and what kind of questions you asked them? Can you explain a little more about it?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, SME connect meeting is some people who are they will who know more about this topic. They'll take the meeting. It is about 2 to 3 hours. Actually, I'm CSC student. I know this all topics, so I didn't ask any question, ma'am. If we ask any question, they will clearly explain us.
Okay, okay. So any other students in that meeting, asked such questions?
Yes, ma'am. They ask mainly. They told to concentrate more in Java and RDBMS. They asked Java concepts.
Okay, okay. Maybe they asked about Java and everything so that you focus more on that so that you can clear the TF, right?
Clear the TFA. And hands-on also comes from Java and RDBMS only, ma'am.
Okay, maximum questions
Yes,
from.
ma'am.
Okay, okay, great. So, guys, Lakshmi is telling about the hands-on. So, hands-on are basically, as you know, that there will be two sections. One will be the MCQ sections for approximately, I think, 90 minutes, and the hands-on is also there, which is like coding part. So, as she told, guys, that maximum the questions would be from Java, right? Is there any question, Lakshmi, from SQL?
No, ma'am. SQL we don't have. RDBMS will get. I mean, RDBMS only will get. They'll give 4 questions, ma'am. Like 1A, 1B, and 2A, 2B. We should write 1A, 1B, or 2A, 2B.
There are like
Any one choice.
Okay, there are two set of questions. I mean, 1A, 1B, and then the second one. So you have to do any one pair, guys. Okay, clear? Yeah.
And Java we'll get 2 questions. We should write one.
Okay, again, there is a choice, guys, that in Java you'll have two questions. You have to write any one question you have to attempt.
And we should at least pass test cases, ma'am. We should pass at least 9 test cases. They'll have 9 test cases. Each test case have different marks.
Okay, okay, there is a weightage, I guess.
Yes, ma'am, weightage.
Okay, great. And what about the negative marking? Is there any sort of negative marking there?
No, ma'am, no negative marking at all. We have 50 MCQs
Hmm.
from this topic only they'll give, ma'am. But coding part is beyond. We should understand the topic, and we should perform in exam.
Okay,
Java
so
and RDBMS.
And people, I think the people from Python and other languages, will they able to do it? I mean, is it can you let us know the level of the question? I mean, is it easy, hard, or tough?
Medium, ma'am. Medium.
Okay, medium.
Actually, in this, they'll give us mock exams, ma'am. We'll have 3 mock assessments after completion of 45 modules. So, like in a final TFA, how we can perform, they'll help in mock exams assessments.
Okay, so you are like what you are trying to say is like if we attempt all the three mock assessment, it gets easier for us to clear the
Yes,
TF.
ma'am. Yeah,
Okay,
we'll get marking also
in
in
that,
that.
okay, I mean the mock assessments to carry marks?
Yes, ma'am. Only marks, but there is no weightage in TFA.
Okay, great, great. I mean that is just a mock. I mean that will not be calculated at the time of TFA. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Great,
We'll
great.
have fourth mock exam. Mock assessment is proctored. For 20 people, they'll give one proctor. He will be observing our screen will be shared and he will be observing. If we
Okay,
did any malpractice,
then
he
we'll
will
be out of it.
cancel the examination. Yeah, ma'am. And he'll ask us to show the room.
Okay, the entire room of where you are
Yes,
sitting.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. If he got any doubt, he will say. Anytime he can ask.
Okay, so guys, be very careful because I mean, like Lakshmi said, that there will be proctor, like a human proctor, who will be, approximately the ratio would be 20 people. They will be getting, it's like an invigilator only who will be keeping an eye on you, that how you are doing. Just in case you are not doing anything, obviously they'll not say us anything. But yes, do not, end up doing such things, because it would end up your job. I mean, in a very good organization, like, so
They may
yeah.
terminate.
Yes, exactly. I mean, I heard about a few I mean cases, one or two cases where the people got terminated as well. So yes, it is a bit I mean, things, I mean, point to be noted. So yeah, don't worry about it. Like Lakshmi said, the I mean, questions, more the topic questions would be from TFA, sorry, modules itself. So just my next question would be, Lakshmi, that if we do like complete all the modules, so if the chances are higher that we clear the TFA, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay,
If we practice regarding that, we can find we can complete we can surely complete the TFA.
okay, okay.
Because questions will come from that only, MCQs. Maximum MCQs will come from that only, ma'am.
Okay, so maximum MCQs will be from that only, so nothing to worry about. You practice from that. Try to complete your, I mean, modules, because you have 45 days, and I think I mean, the lengthier I think is Java, I guess, and RDBMS modules are a bit lengthier in comparison to other modules. Am I right, Lakshmi? Or
Yes,
some.
ma'am. Java and RDBMS is more. It takes more a lot of time to complete also.
Hmm. So you can divide your time accordingly, guys. You can manage your time accordingly, and then you can complete. And we would suggest you people that complete the modules, because now here again, if you complete your modules approximately till 98%, and yeah, I mean, crack your TFA on the first attempt, then you will be eligible for the bonus of that 10,000 as well, right,
Yes,
Lakshmi?
ma'am. Yes, 10K. Yes, ma'am.
So I think you are eligible.
Yes, ma'am. I'm eligible. I completed my TFA and I got 78%.
Yes, yes. So you must be eligible for that. So yes, it is quite a good amount, bonus which you will get later on once you complete your training and you onboard to Accenture. I think they will give you separately, not in salary, but I think separately they'll be giving you.
Yes, ma'am. Separate only.
Yes, yes.
Separate only, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, correct. Fine.
And we should prepare more for final assessment and fourth TFA, ma'am. Fourth final mock exam.
Okay. So
These
different.
two are proctored.
Okay, the fourth mock call. Sorry, the fourth mock assessment and the TFA.
Final TFA, ma'am. In TFA, we have only for 10 members, one proctor.
Okay, so any which ways the proctor will be there in the mock and the DFAs.
He will be observing and he'll be texting if we did any mistake.
Hmm.
If he see any malpractice, he will block the exam and he will terminate the person.
Fine.
Maybe if he is good person, he may give 1 2 chances, ma'am. If he is strict one, he will terminate. He'll not
I
allow to write.
Yes. I think they give us a warning signal, I guess, message, something like that, right?
Yes, ma'am. Warning signal they'll give while writing the exam. 2 to 3 times he'll give. If we repeated the same, he will take the action.
Fine. That totally depends, guys, on the proctor. I mean, they might give you one chance, they might give you approximately 2 to 3 chances, but yeah, don't take risk and chances. Just be prepared. So yes, I think a lot of people are a bit worried, a bit scared, because they are not. I mean, the people who are not from Java background, or they are a bit worried about it. But yes, don't worry. Try to complete the modules. And yes, Lakshmi, any sort of tip or strategy who are from non, Java background or so?
No need to worry, ma'am. While doing Java, if we understand the topic, not if we mugged up, we can't do anything. If we understand the topic, definitely we can clear the TFA, ma'am. No need to worry. Java background means we should listen the tutorials in YouTube. We have a lot of tutorials, ma'am,
Okay, great.
and the questions little bit same, like calculator. They gave me about calculator and some another question which I studied in our college only, so it is easy for me to clear that one.
Yes, just an experience that questions were about from like related to calculators, like she said. And yes, it would be medium level
customer
questions.
customer Yeah, medium level questions. RDBMS is about customer support, customer queries. Some questions will be related 4 to 5 lines only, ma'am. RDBMS will have any code 4 to 5 lines only. Java is somewhat different. We have a lengthy code,
Okay, fine, fine.
and they before final assessment, they'll send us some candidate IDs and the
Hmm.
proctors, everything they'll send, ma'am,
Hmm,
and
hmm, hmm, hmm.
guide what we have to do. We should install one MSB some. We should install that one installation. From
Okay.
that we should write the examination, ma'am.
Okay. What kind of platform was it?
Exam that is essential related platform only, ma'am.
Sure, it is related.
Normal platform.
It was related. Was it related to Metal browser?
Yes, ma'am. Metal browser only.
Great. Fine. And this was for MCQs, but for I think the coding, this hands-on the browser, this portal was tech stack, right?
Yes, ma'am. The portal which we they gave to write for us modules, no, ma'am. First they'll give for modules. In
Mm,
that only they will give.
fine, fine.
We should share the screen.
Okay. So guys, yes, you will get emails. I mean, how to join in, how to log in while your examination happens. And yes, you will also get the proctor details just in case I think you find anything, you are not able to log in, or you face any tech issues or something, you can raise it to them, right?
Yes, ma'am. Under that they'll give some numbers, and proctor numbers also they'll give. We have to contact the proctor.
Just in case you face any issue. Yeah, that
Yes,
is also
ma'am.
a great step. I mean, we can contact them.
Yeah,
Okay.
we can contact them. They'll leave the calls and answer the queries.
Fine. Anything else? I mean, Lakshmi, we need to discuss.
But we these modules MCQs they can prepare from some other also, but we'll get hands-on is behind only, ma'am. From that they'll not give. Just topic is related to that, but answers and questions will be behind only, ma'am.
A bit
We
different,
should
not from
prepare.
modules.
We should prepare well. That we should understand the topic only. Then only we can attempt the hands-on.
Okay, yeah, correct. I mean, that questions won't repeat for hands-on from the modules, but yes, obviously the
No.
topic will be from that only.
Yes, ma'am. From that only.
Okay, okay.
Just we need to clear about topics.
Okay, so guys, don't worry about it. I mean, the questions obviously won't be, from those modules. But yes, obviously, if you have completed the modules, then your concepts would be clear. If your concepts are clear, then you can do hundreds of questions easily. So nothing to worry about. Just like focus on the concepts, focus on the topics, and clear those. And like research more from internet. You have internet. You have a lot of practice platforms. You have YouTube, a great platform to study and practice for this. So nothing to worry about it. So yes. Do well, great. So I think Lakshmi has covered each and everything just from the very beginning, how she got the modules, how she prepared, what all important points she have covered. I think this video is going to be a very helpful video for you people, because she has shared her own experience. She has cleared the TFA. And yes, acha, last thing I wanted to know, Lakshmi, that did you got your results within how many days after attending the
Uh,
TFA?
no, ma'am. I got within 3 to 4 days only, ma'am. They'll send us. After that, they'll have another two chances to clear TFA.
If you didn't clear.
Second attempt. Yes, ma'am. Reattempt. Second attempt.
Mm-hmm. And in the
Uh,
second attempt, the
we should
marks
get
would be
65%. 65,
65%.
ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. Initially, guys,
Second
on the
and third
first attempt,
attempt.
yeah, initially on the first attempt, it is 60% you have to get. Just in case you are not able to get 60% on the first attempt, then guys, on the second and third attempt, you have to get at least 65. The percentage would increase in the second chance and third chance. Okay, let's then close this session. So, guys, I think Lakshmi cleared each and every point. Any doubts or queries, do mention me in the comment section. I would be happy to help. And yeah, you can message me on Instagram for better information. I am, regular there on Instagram. And yeah, do check out other videos on the link description box about the TF and everything. I have created videos for you people for better understanding and the updates. Till then, guys, have a great day. Be safe. Take care. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.